Hey Flitz fans, it's Graham here from Team Flitz. I gotta tell you about a great new product Flitz came out with. Microfiber towels. You're probably asking yourself, what? Flitz has had microfiber towels for quite some time, and they're some of the best that are in the business. Well, what makes these a little bit different is, as you can see, it's on a paper towel roll. That's right, paper towel roll. These things are excellent to take around the job site, tear it off, away you go. You can wash them, you can use them over and over again, but just great and convenient. So, what's the difference out there between some that you might have seen at the store compared to the Flitz ones? Well, I'm here to tell you about that today. So GSM, what does that mean? Grams per square meter. Okay, I don't understand. What is grams per square meter? It's basically how good the towel is. The higher the number, the better the towel is, saving you on time, on scrubbing, wiping down, whatever you're using them for. Flitz is at 300 GSM. Our competitor's about 150 to 200. Again, what does that make a difference to me? Well, I'm going to show you how and why Flitz is a little bit different than our competitors. So you're probably asking yourself, what do we all got on the table here? Well, I got a flashlight, a mug, and a scale. Why? It's all I'm going to show you and prove to you why Flitz microfiber cloths are better than our competitors. So let me show you how. All right, next up we're going to do the absorbency test. We're going to take our competitor's microfiber, we're going to put it right in this glass of water. Put it all the way in there. Let it sit there for a second. And we're going to take the Flitz microfiber and throw it in this glass of water. And let it sit there for a second. Now, let's pull them out and let's see how much water they both absorb. As you can see, our competitor left quite a bit of water in the glass. Compared to the Flitz glass, there's basically nothing at all. What does that mean to you? A lot more powerful absorption, cutting down your cleaning time. So here we go. Next up, the light test. First off, our competitors. All right, next up, the Flitz microfiber. Do you see the difference? The lesser the light, the thicker the weave the cloth is, saving you all that extra cleaning time. All right, next up, the weight test. We'll take our competitor's microfiber and we're going to put it right on the scale here. Six ounces. All right, let's take the Flitz microfiber, put it right on the scale. One ounce. What does this mean? The heavier the weight, the thicker the cloth is, making it more durable and able to be washed over and over again. Not to mention giving you more powerful cleaning action. I hope this video helped explain a little bit of the difference between our Flitz washable reusable microfiber cloths and our competitors. When it comes time to cleaning, polishing, protecting your finishes, remember, Flitz it today.